Hey developers, ever wished scrolling your web page could feel like directing a movie? Like you're the camera operator, smoothly guiding a full 3D scene? That's exactly what we're diving into today. I'm a UI developer, and I've wrestled with this in real projects, so I'm not just showing you flashy demos. I'm sharing the exact technique I use to combine threejs with G-Sap ScrollTrigger. We'll make your scroll drive a 3D world like a total pro. In this final piece of our series, we're creating professional scroll-driven animations that transform users scrolling into cinematic camera moves and object rotations. When this video hits 200 plus likes, I'll pin the full source code in the comments. Let's make that happen. Let's craft our scroll animation system step by step. The function build scroll timeline first checks if our model exists. If not, it exits safely. We then identify our stage element using document.getElement by ID equals stage, falling back to the container's parent or document body as backups. The stage element will be our animation canvas. We create a G-Sap timeline with a ScrollTrigger configuration object containing these key settings. ID equals spin pin for debugging. Trigger set to our stage element. Start position at top, meaning when the stage hits the viewport top, end position set as plus, equals 2400 pixels, creating a 2400 pixel scroll journey. Scrub equals true to tie animation progress directly to scroll position. Pin equals true to freeze the section during animation. And markers equals true for visual debugging guides during development. Next, we define two camera positions using our calculated fit distance. At minus fit distance times 0.45 on X, model size Y, times 0.65 on Y, and fit distance times 0.85 on Z. This creates a high left viewpoint. Cam2 positions at fit distance times 0.9 on X, model size Y, times 0.2 on Y, and fit distance times 1.15 on Z, a lower right position. These complementary angles showcase different product aspects. We also defined two key light positions. Key 1 at 205 maintains our high right lighting, while key 2 at 305 5-2 shifts lower and behind for dramatic backlighting. This light breathing enhances the cinematic feel. For phase 1, we animate model rotation around the x-axis by plus equals 2 pi radians, a full 360-degree spin. The ease equals none makes rotation speed constant with scroll. Simultaneously, using the less than symbol alignment, we move the camera to cam 1 and shift our key light to key 1 with easing for natural brightness transitions. Phase 2 repeats this pattern. Another full spin but around the y-axis while camera moves to cam 2 and light shifts to key 2. The identical timing through the less than symbol keeps all animations perfectly synchronized. This two-act structure creates a complete product showcase, horizontal spin, revealing all sides, then vertical spin, highlighting top-bottom features. And that's how we transform scrolling into cinematic storytelling. We've created synchronized camera moves, model rotations, and lighting changes that respond perfectly to scroll position. This completes our 3D scroll experience, from initial setup to drag controls to scroll-driven animation. If this series helped you understand 3D web development better, please smash that like button. When we hit 200 plus likes, I'll share the full production source code. Subscribe for our next series where we'll optimize this for mobile performance and add advanced materials. Got questions about timeline synchronization or camera positioning? Drop them in the comments. I answer every one. Subscribe to the channel for more JS tips. See you in the next video.